Hello guys, over here is 158812, which is forming a service to Norwich, or yeah, not Norwich.
Connects up with another service from Norwich.
Yeah, which will be forming another. We'll be connecting up to another service, in another unit to go to Norwich shortly. That's on these.
The unit that will connect up with comes to Norwich, and then they'll both go to Liverpool Line Street.
Yeah, that'll be.
That one's just going to get ready to connect up.
Yeah, that'll be forming with joining with a service from Norwich, and will be forming a service to Liverpool Lime Street. And so hello guys, and welcome to the latest video from BTACA Videos for episode 4 of my wandering series. And today I've wandered up to Nottingham, up here in the West Midlands. So and today you'll be seeing services from East Midlands Trains, cross country and Northern Trains. Today here at Nottingham I'm joined by KTV Videos, South Yorkshire Trains, Rob's Public Transport Videos, and EM Trains Group, Ian Rail Group, and so Nottingham's looking like a good station. So let's see what's on offer here, shall we? Let's get started here at Nottingham. Right, coming in now is a terminating Northern train service from Leeds. It's a 1400 terminating service, and it's 158850. And so here it is. And so let's see what's next, shall we? Right, departing now is a service to London St Pancras, starting here. It's a 1403 service. And it's 22018 to London St Pancras, starting here.
Derby, Burton Trent, Tamworth, Birmingham New Street, University, Cheltenham Spa, Gloucester, Lydney, Chepstow, Newport and Cardiff Central. This train is formed of 3 coaches. First class accommodation is at the front of the train.
Off it goes to London St Pancras. Right, about to depart now is 17398 with a service with a service to Cardiff Central, starting here. Yeah, starting here. Excellent 3-tone there.
Ladies and gentlemen, Nottingham will take place this weekend for the trains on London St Pancras. On Sunday, June, there will be no longer trains running between this station and London St Pancras International. Trains will run between Sheffield, Derby, Nottingham and Leicester, and between Wellingborough, Bedford and London St Pancras. A rail replacement bus service will run between Leicester and Bedford for connections to London. This Sunday, the journey to here will be significantly longer.
No.
To find out more, to plan your journey, please visit East Midlands Trains.
Off goes 17398 to Cardiff Central. And as it's going to Cardiff Central, I wonder what the Italians will make of that on Champions League final night. Okay, let's see what's next, shall we? Right, here on platform 1A, or no, 1B, is 156,404 with a service from Leicester going off to Lincoln Central, which is forming the 1419 service. So it will be heading off in about 6 minutes or so. So here we go. Okay, let's see what's next, shall we? Right, terminating in now is 158,810. And this is a terminating service from Mansfield Woodhouse. 158,810. And we have a terminating service in on platform 5, I believe. So let's come around and get it. It is a terminating 1418 service from St Pancras. So let's come round and get the numbers. It's 222022, which just terminated in from London St Pancras. Here we go. Right, coming in now on platform 3B is a 1420 East Midlands train service to Matlock from Newark Castle. Yeah, yes, it is 158,858. We saw 158,858 at Derby earlier today. So here it is, and we'll see it head out shortly. Right, pulling out now is 158,850 with a northern train service to Leeds starting here. Off it goes to Leeds. Next stop is a recently opened station, Ilkeston. So Ilkeston, the next stop on its way to Leeds from here. Right, departing out now is 156,440, I think it is.
404, yeah.
No, 404, which is heading off to Lincoln Central from Leicester, which is a 1419 departure from here at Nottingham. And off it goes there. And shortly the 1420 service to Matlock from Newark Castle will be departing. So we may get it in a second, or we may not. Hopefully we'll, but we'll see shortly. Right, about to depart out now is 158,858 with a service from Newark Castle to Matlock, and so off it goes there. And we've also got a terminating service from Skegness coming in on platform 2 behind me. So here it is. Looks like it's a 153 and a 156.
C will be the 1434 East Midlands Trains, service to Norwich.
It's on the front is 153 310.
Make sure you travel in the correct part of the train. For Grantham, Peterborough, Ely, Thetford and Norwich travel the front coaches of the train. The rear coaches of the train will be detached and terminate
And on the rear of the train, let's just walk up to get it. Is 156498, which is terminating in from Skegness. So here we go. Let's see what's next, shall we? Right, just come in here is 158763 with a service from Liverpool Lime Street to Norwich. 158783 is at the rear, so we'll terminate here, while the front 158 will go off to Norwich. Out here goes 158810 with a service to Worksop starting here. Off it goes here, heading off to Worksop. This 158810 had terminated in from Mansfield Woodhouse a few minutes before, and now heading off to Worksop. So out it goes there. Right, terminating in now is a service from Birmingham New Street, terminating here, and it's 17112.
And Liverpool Lime Street.
Coming back again.
Train at platform 6 is the 1430 East Midlands Trains, service to London St Pancras, Warwick, East Midlands Parkway, Gloucester, Harbour and London St Pancras. This train is full of 8 coaches.
And as I said in episode 3, this is the train that brought me from Newport up to Cheltenham Spa, and it's at Cheltenham where I met up with KTV this morning. So here it comes, terminating from Birmingham New Street. Off here goes 43064 with a service to London Paddington. Off it goes down there, and I didn't get the front power car for that one, so yeah. Right, about to depart now from platform 4A. There's a 1436 East Midlands Trains service from Lincoln to Leicester. Departing out 7 seconds early. And it's 156415 forming the service, which we shall see just coming round the other side of the 222.
This train is formed of 3 coaches.
Off it goes around there. Off it goes to Leicester.
The next train.
Right, about to depart now from platform 7 is the Italian Express, the 1441 cross-country service to Birmingham New Street, 17397. off it goes to Birmingham New Street. 170 397, the Italian Express.
I like that. Anyway, next street to see will be 1447 Lime Street. And we'll be seeing that any minute. We'll see how far 158.
Okay, off it goes there to Birmingham New Street. Right, departing out now is the 1447 East Midlands Train service to Liverpool Lime Street from Norwich. Extremely loud 3-tone there.
And well, technically Nottingham and Norwich as well. 158 as well. 158 773.
And it's 158 812 on the front and 158 773 on the rear. Heading off here to Liverpool Lime Street from Norwich. Next stop apparently is Alfreton, if I heard correctly, and then all the other places in between. So out it goes off to Liverpool Lime Street. Right, terminating in now is an East Midlands Trains HS2 from St Pancras with a good tone. 43045 on the front.
Find out more to plan your journey, please visit eastmidlandstrains.co.uk, tweet us at EMTrains or speak to the team.
And on the rear it's 43060. 43060 and 43045. Right, terminating in now is the 1400 arrival from Leeds. It's a northern train service, and it is formed of 158 910, which, as I say, has just terminated in from Leeds. But no, it's a 1500 arrival from Leeds, not the 1400. And so here it is arriving in from Leeds. Right, arriving in now is 170 110. No, there's nothing on the rear. 170 110. Which is terminating in from Cardiff Central, where we're terminating Italian Express from Cardiff Central. Here it is terminating in from Cardiff Central. Right, departing out now is 170 112 with the Italian Express, the 1510 cross-country service to Cardiff Central, starting here, and arriving in on platform 1 over there is 156 406 I saw.
That's coming in for Mansfield.
Yeah, arriving in arriving in from Mansfield. Definitely a 156. I think it's 406 after that.
It would have been 406 because it left earlier.
So there it is, arriving in from Mansfield Woodhouse. Right, coming in now on platform 1. 82, I think it is. 158 782, we think it is, which is terminating in from somewhere or other. I'll just check.
158, 862.
It's off Man. No,
Is it
it's
off?
off Mansfield. Yeah.
No, this one's off Mansfield.
Yeah.
Yeah,
But-
it is. This one's off Mansfield Woodhouse, which means that
But-
other 156.
What wasn't off
It
Mansfield?
was an ECS, it must have been.
Must have
and
been
incoming
an ECS.
here is
Coming-
153381 with the
Yeah, one-
1520 East Midlands Train service to
Yeah.
Matlock from Newark Castle, 153381.
No, is it to Newark
It's
Castle?
Matlock, I think.
No, it's
Is it? Because it came from that way, Newark's that way.
Yeah, it's
going to
Matlock.
It's just got
yeah.
Newark on the front.
Coming in is 153381 to Matlock from Newark Castle on platform 3B. 153381 over there. Okay, so let's see what's next, shall we? Here at Nottingham. Right, coming in now on platform 5 is a 222 Series 10, which I think we saw at Derby earlier, I think.
No, we didn't. We didn't see that one. We saw
No.
020.
No, like there was Series 20 we saw earlier. Terminating in from London St Pancras.
So then for, I believe, the 1530 service. I think, maybe. No.
No.
1603. Two runs to Pancras.
Yes, that sounds about right. I think forming the 1603 service back to London St Pancras.
This one is the more local calling one.
Yeah,
Some calls it like Market Harbour, Kettering, Bedford, Newlands.
yeah. Anyway, it's 220 Series 10.
220,
Terminating.
222.
No,
You've got a 220.
no, 222 Series 10 terminating in from London St Pancras, which will be forming the 1603 local stopping service back to London St Pancras later. Right, departing out now is a Northern train service to Leeds, the 1517 service. And it's formed of the Northern Trains 158. It's 158, 910, heading off to Leeds, starting here. With a nice tone as well. Off it goes there to Leeds. Right, departing out now is 153381. With an East Midlands train service to Matlock, starting at Newark Castle.
Platform 4A from the 1536 East Midlands Trains service to Leicester.
Off it goes to Matlock. Right, here at platform 4A is 158889. Is the East Midlands train, former South West Trains unit, which will be forming a service from Lincoln to Leicester shortly. I think.
1436.
No, 1540.
Ex-South West Trains.
No, this will be departing at 1546. 36. Off to Leicester from Lincoln. East Midlands Trains, former South West Trains unit.
Here
Right,
is the
arriving in
1534
now
East Midlands
is
Train service to Norwich.
1534 service to Norwich.
Actually, let's say technically Nottingham and Norwich, because part of it will terminate here and part of it will carry on.
Yeah,
Split here, I'm going to film the split for you guys.
yeah. The front half
788.
is heading off to Norwich. The rear will be terminating here. At the front is 158788.
Door release too early, right?
And 158863 on the rear.
763.
Yeah.
863 better.
Here it is. 158863 is terminating in here. and 158-788 on the front will be heading off to Norwich. This is the service from Liverpool Lime Street, and we shall see the split in a moment for you viewers. Right, about to split now is 158-863 and 158-788, and here it splits now.
Quite an easy split.
Quite an easy split. But quite an easy split here at Nottingham. Right, about to depart now is 158-788 to Norwich. This is the service from Liverpool Lime Street, and this is only the first portion coming from Liverpool, and the rear part, which is behind us, is split here as we saw a moment ago, and terminated here. But the front part, as you can see here, terminating out here. So off it goes to Norwich. Right, departing now to sidings is 158-863, or at least I think it's to the sidings anyway. Off it goes. Off goes 158-889. With a service to Leicester from Lincoln with excellent clag.
Now that is why it's next South Yorkshire Trains unit.
By clag.
And Birmingham New Street. This train is formed of 3 coaches.
Off it goes there to Leicester.
East Midlands Trains got a gem in the unit.
Right, coming in now onto platform 4 is a 153 service to Newcastle from Matlock, and it's 153-311.
Ben,
Yeah.
it's going nowhere. Look at it. It's going nowhere. It's going nowhere.
Either way, in comes 153-311. Apparently going to Newcastle from Matlock.
Nah, it's not going anywhere. No destination screen.
But no destination screen is working, so wherever it's going, I don't know. But anyway, it's 153-311 coming in from Matlock. Right, going out there, wandering out of Nottingham is 156-414 on the front and 156-401 with a 15:45 East Midlands train service to Skegness starting here. And off it goes round the corner there. Right, coming in now onto platform 6 is a HST terminating from London St Pancras.
Did you call it St Pancras?
Yeah, 43047 on the front.
I don't know what was more worse, man. You calling a Meridian a Pandolino, or you calling St Pancras St Pancras?
Same thing, really.
Yeah. They both begin with P.
How much difference is it, really?
I'll get the rear of it in a minute.
Anyway, in comes the terminating service from London St Pancras. Right, we're now on the other end of the platform. On the other side, we saw the front power car as it came in 43047, and so we can see the rear. Yes, the rear power car as it came in is 43073. Just thought you wanted to know that, viewers. Right, terminating in now is a terminating northern train service from Leeds. 158908 terminating in from Leeds, which is a northern train service, which will be terminating in on platform 4. Off it goes down there to platform 4.
For just £10, you can have lifetime 24/7 access.
Right, about to depart now is the 1610 Italian Express. The 1610 cross-country service to Cardiff Central from Nottingham, which is departing now. Which is formed of 170, 116, which is also the final train of this video. So thank you guys for watching. Thank you for watching my video from Cardiff Central. That's the Cardiff Central thing. Thank you for watching my video from Nottingham. If you have liked what you've seen, then please do like and subscribe. And if you have any comments, then please make your comments in the comments box below. Like Nottingham has been a good station to film at today. Quite a lot of variety here, but like Derby has also been good today, but of the two, I'd probably say Derby's been better because it has better vantage points to film. Like joining me here at Nottingham today is Rod's Public Transport videos, KTV videos, and South Yorkshire Trains. So thank you guys for watching my video here from Nottingham. My next station on the Wandering series is in 2 weeks' time from Gloucester. So I'll see you all in Gloucester, guys, for the next Wandering series video. See you all in Gloucester. Bye, guys.